Hi, my dear students. Hope you are doing well. Our lecture series regarding trigonometry, grade 11, ICS, F.SC is continued. The question that is in front of us is about exercise 8.2, the question fifth. Okay, so it's in front of us. So before solving the question, so let me tell about the formulas that we will apply over here. Okay, so this is sine 2 theta. So in simple way, we can find the cos 2 theta. It's a very simple like this. Let me write sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. We can put like this because both angle are same. Here 2 theta and here 2 theta. So that must be equal to 1. But here we need we have to find cos square 2 theta. So that will be equal to cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 minus sine square 2 theta like this. Okay, so this formula we first apply over here. Now let me as we talk about the next formula, as we know that the basically three formulas are for cos 2 theta. So let me write the first 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, let me write the second cos 2 theta is equal to uh, 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Yes. So we will use these two formula to find the third one. Okay. So let me use the first one. Okay. Let me write the first and then second. The first one is cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So here we need to find cos square theta. Okay. So the one will go on the other side. That will be 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta, and 2 gonna divide over here. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 is equal to cos square theta. Yes. So when we apply here cos square theta, so then square root cos square, it will be simple cos theta, and here the square root will come 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 like this. Okay, so this the first formula that we will apply over here is in front of us. Okay, so now we'll move toward the second formula. Okay, so now I am going to taking that was the first one. As I given the name, no problem. You can say any of first one, any of second two. Now cos 2 theta, I will write over here cos 2 theta, that will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Yeah. Okay, so I will transfer 2 sine square theta on the either side. So 2 sine square theta will be positive, and transfer cos 2 theta on the other side, that will be like this. When we transfer 2 on the other side, it's gonna divide. On the same step, I will take the square root as well. So 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 like this. Okay, after taking the square root, so it will be like this. Okay, so the square will cancel with the square root. You can write like this. So that will be sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, so here first of all we need to find cos 2 theta. So this formula we are going to applying. Okay, so let me write here cos 2 theta. Sorry, cos square 2 theta, that will be 1 minus sine square 2 theta. Yes. So just after putting the value over here, so that will be 24 by 25 square. Okay. So it will be 1 minus. So after solving, you will get simply, after you can use calculator over here. Uh, After solving all, I'm just will write here not 1, so 49 by 625. 49 by 625 square root. Okay, so on the same step I took the square root cos square write in a little proficient way. So here cos 2 theta will be equal to plus minus. Okay. So after that we will find 7 by 25. So the cos here written 2 theta is in second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos will be negative. So we will get cos 2 theta equal to negative 7 by 25. So you understand this. Okay. Now we have sine 2 theta and we have also cos 2 theta. Now we will use these formulas. Okay, the first one and the second one will solve our question. So let me use the first formula that is in front of us is cos theta is equal to 1 plus here cos square basically. So here cos square. So I don't put the square root till now. Cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Yes. So after that, what we'll do, we'll just put the value of cos 2 theta. So that will be negative 7 by 25 here over 2. Okay. So here on the other side, cos 2 theta is continue. Let me put the line over here like this. Okay, I will start writing from here. So cos square theta will be equal to, so after solving, I'll try to solve directly all. So here it will be 1 minus 7 by 25, okay, over 2. So that will be 25. That's the main fraction. Okay. So 25 minus 7. So that will be 18 by 25 here too. So after cancel, you can cancel over here to 9 times 18. So it will be simple cos square theta will be equal to, so let me change the color, 9 by 25. Okay. So now we will take the square root, we'll write here plus minus. Okay. So after solving cos square theta will be equal to, you can remove the square because it took the square root. So that will be 3 by 5. Okay. So we will not consider here plus minus. If at the end we will erase plus minus because we already done about the plus minus sign with the previous that in cos 2 theta we already done negative sign because it's or we can solve like this, cos theta, let me tell you, it's given that 2 theta is in second quadrant. Yes, it is given like this. So second quadrant mean simply, I will tell you, the limit of second quadrant start from basically pi by 2. Okay, so let me write 2 theta greater than pi by 2 and less than 2 pi, sorry, and less than pi. Okay, so now we are talking about theta here. We don't have 2 theta, we have theta only here. Yes, we are just discussing about theta. So for theta, I will divide by 2 on both sides. When I will divide here by 2, it will be pi by 4 and it will be theta, and here it will be pi by 2. Yes, so when you see this clearly, it is basically the first quadrant. So only theta is in first quadrant. Okay, so here we'll write positive sign or will not write any sign like this. You can solve like this also. Now we have to find sine theta. So simply we will use this formula for sine in a simple way. We know that sine square theta is equal to 1 plus, sorry, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So just put the value 1 minus, so that gonna be 3 by 5 whole square, and then sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. So that will be 25 minus 9. That will be 16 by 25 after taking square root. So sine theta will be how much? 4 by 5. It will be positive as we already decided that theta is in first quadrant. Okay. So let's solve the about the last part, that is about tan theta. So let me write here. Tan theta will be equal to, you know that, sine theta over cos theta. So just put the value of sine theta, that will be 4 by 5. So must take care about the main fraction. This is the basically main fraction. Now go about cos theta, that will be 3 by 5. So 5 will be cancelled out. So that must be equal to 4 by 3. So we have done all sine theta, cos theta, tan theta as that is given to us. Okay, that is cos theta, and that one is the sine theta. Okay, and the last we already did about the tan theta. Hope you understand this. In the next question, you will find the new video